For certain connect, conversations aren't required. There's nothing huge, medium, or tiny when it comes to connect or love. Feeling the love within and mutually living that love mutually, not without consent or forcing, but mutually giving and receiving. It's a lovely feel in love and life. So feel the love within in your form, not succumbing to society. Take a lot of love. We might feel collapsed, gone, but that might become lovely life for us. Lovely life for us. See here, there's a form, there's a shape. So form your own shape, your own structure, your own innate form of living. Just if you can.